Okay.
Okay.
Grabe. Grabe
Grabe.
tong guest natin ngayon, Daddy. Bakit?
Wala,
Siya yung
kabuhay-buhay.
ano eh, ano ba yung sa, kumbaga sa showbiz siya si ano?
Boy
Lolit
Abunda.
Boy Abunda. Boy Abunda ng motorcycle community. Siya yun, si... Yan,
Moto
ito yun,
Chismis.
Moto Chismis. Follow niyo yung page niya. Nandun yung makukuha lahat ng mga chismis sa ano, motorcycle community. Yan. Okay. Sir Aris, I've known you for quite a long time already, and it's the first time that I was able to ride with you. And you are so amazing. My dad loves you. We love you because you've been guiding us the whole trip. Kasi, you know po, merong mga hairpin turns. He was the one nagsasabi na sisilipin niya. The position was me, Daddy Ambo, and Sir Aris. Siya yung nagsasabi na, okay, that's clear. You go ahead. Ay, ikaw naman magkwento ngayon, sir. How was our experience?
Yes. Alam mo, that's why I went to your side because of Sir Opoy Gao. He requested me to be his roommate and his riding buddy. Tapos
Tito
nalaman
Apoy.
ko na kasama your dad and you. So, ito na yung team. So, and
Yung team.
you
Ayan,
know,
si Tito Apoy.
I know you, your dad, Boss Ambo, and Sir Opoy are veteran riders. But you know, just like me, kinakain tayo ng taon, ng age, kinakalawang dahil kulang sa saddle time. But you know, it comes back. It comes back. Ang ano lang, tama, saddle time and to bring back the riding confidence. Ngayon, alam mo yung principle ko sa buhay when riding, help people and win friends. Di ba? Pagka alam yung merong kasama sa group natin, wala naman tayong magagawa but to help them kasi pag nagka-problema yan, magkaka-problema buong grupo. And mas maganda yung samahan kung lahat nag-e-enjoy, di ba?
Agree.
Hindi lang yung nag-e-enjoy, 3 tao, 5 tao. 40 tayo, ba't gano'n, di ba? So let's enjoy everyone. Ngayon, yung nagsabi si Boss Ambo na konting alalay, pagpaket at pababa na step, willing tayo dyan kasi I think this is my 3rd time and I really enjoy that pass. You know why? Dapat isama yan sa 9th wonder of the world eh. Parang siyang ka-equal siya ng rice terraces. Di ba? Paano nila ginawa yung ganyan na ganyan? It's so perfect. Switchback ang tawag dyan eh. Na hindi mo pwedeng tirahin ng 3rd gear yan. Swerte mo na kung nakaka-2nd gear ka dyan. But lalo na may back ride like Boss Ambo, 1st gear lang ang solusyon dyan. And you have to really be tight in turning ng pataas. Kung hindi, hihiga yung bike.
And look where you want the bike to go.
Yes. And road courtesy.
Road courtesy.
It's either ikaw yung tumigil pataas o yung pababa ang titigil. Pag kayo nagpumilit pareho and the road is tight, something bad will happen. Di ba? And nakita ko rin na despite daanan siya ng tourist, ang swerte nga natin ngayon, hindi siya masyadong puno. I think 20 plus kilometers siya na switchback. Hindi ko lang nabilang. But, 48 hairpins. And really tight, di ba? Parang flawless. Wala akong nakita ng lubak na seryoso eh. Di ba? That's how the Italians maintain the roads. Di ba? And alam nyo kung sa atin yan, baka may bayad yan eh, pag dumaan ka.
Dapat. Pag may ganyan.
Di ba? Dito
may
wala.
toll. May toll.
May toll. Yan, ang alam ko lang sa Italy, I think you buy a sticker, road user sticker, and it's valid for 1 year. Hindi siya ganun kamahal. Parang 30 or 40 euros lang. Then you can use the road for 1 year. I don't know, the same arrangement with Switzerland. Ganyan sa Europe. Kaya wala silang toll. Konting-konti lang.
Ang galing. Ang galing. And, what else? Ano yung unforgettable mo? If there's any, kanina. Sa ride natin kanina.
Ang unforgettable ko, si Boss Ambo, narinig ko sa Cardo na isa tuwang-tuwa dahil wala naman kayong near-death experience, di ba?
Wala naman.
You were taking the road, the corners, sweet, smooth, and, di ba, very systematic. Na totally...
Did you ride us?
And, Miss Dian. And also, I give credit to the group. Kasi hindi nila tayo pinipressure.
Correct.
Yeah.
Ito maganda.
Yes.
Yan.
Tapos,
Walang pressure.
Walang pressure na.
You know,
Ayaw nasa harapan.
you know what I call that, Boss Ambo?
Yeah.
Respect.
Respect.
Respect among
That is
riders.
what motorbikers should be.
Tingnan mo nga kung mangyayari sa Marilaki yun.
Ay, naku.
Yung vroom.
All. Kotse, bus, siklista. Meron ka pang nakita nakahiga eh. Yung nakahiga, ewan ko kung stretcher. Stretcher.
Parang nagtito daw siya nakahiga siya eh.
Kuya Alison eh.
Yeah. Di ba?
Andyan yun again. I'm excited again.
Tight,
Story.
tight road, very challenging turns, yet people give respect, give show courtesy among motorists and cyclists.
And sana, sir, ganun din ang mangyari sa atin sa Philippines.
Ano mo?
Diba? Pag dumadaan tayo ng Baguio, ng Sagada, ng Marilaki.
Nangabuklaw.
Ang
That,
buklaw.
that's why you have a moto vlog, Gian. This is to share to our countrymen na this is possible. Di ba? Kaya kailangan pakita natin, ginagawa nila sa ibang bansa to eh, ba't di natin pwedeng gawin, di ba?
Diba? Walang show off.
Ferrari
Ferrari?
Ferrari.
Ferrari
The
kami.
Ferrari stop to
Nag-brakes
give
na.
way to the bike.
Dahil nandun tayo sa turn.
May boost. Boost. Ngayon kung gusto mo overtake, makikita mo eh, then you show the way, sige lang. Hindi yung basta makikita mo sa tabi mo, iipitin ka. Yeah.
Although the cars, they're nice eh, because even if kailangan nilang medyo pumwelo on our side, pag nakita nila, uy, nakamotorsiklo, mas kaya nilang pumreno kaysa sa mga nakamotor. They'll give the way, magpapreno sila to give you some space so you can turn the
Siguro
hairpin
yun
right.
yung gusto nila. Yung gusto nila ng
Ng group?
ng group.
Oo. Ay, parang ayaw nila overtake dahil ayaw nila mapagalitan mo.
Ayaw.
We have a term now, it's called
Bolja.
bolja.
Oh, bold up. Diba?
Yeah, saya.
I also give credit to the Clutch people for a well-organized tour to the Stelvio Pass. It's organized and safe tour. Wala tayong narinig na humiga yung bike, walang sumemplang, walang kumalat, despite having a big number of riders for this group. Diba?
Correct. And si Wanderlish, Tito Opoy.
Dito, Opoy.
Thank you, Tito Opoy. You were the first one who invited us for mga Europe rides.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. 2018.
The Batman and Robin eh. Si Tito Opoy ito si Boss Ambo. Tinanong ko, paano sila naging kumpare? Yung pala yung wedding ng sister mo.
Yung sister ko.
Yeah.
Yun. Kaya naging ninong, naging magkumpara.
I have so much respect for these people. Kaya when they ask me to assist them, sige lang, walang problema. Uulitin natin yan.
Uulitin natin.
oh.
Yeah, is there anything else you want to share?
Ay, ito, lahat ng sinabi ko hindi chismis. But please follow Moto Chismis if you want news,
Chismis, yes.
advanced news, scoops, and I call it chismis, but it's a true chismis.
Yes. It's facts.
Yes,
Facts about
naman.
the motorcycle community.
Salamat.
Ganun lang.
Salamat yan.
Thank you.
Thank
Sir
you.
Alice of Moto Chismis,
Yes.
we're proud of you.
Yeah,
We
ako
respect
rin.
you. We
Ako rin.
love you so much. Maraming salamat.
Thank you.
Again, this is Dian Dayag Adventures with Moto Chismis.
Solid, no?
Ganda.